beautiful people. Hi.
Okay, how about you give it to these girls? Toallas, ¿sí? ¿Y sábanas, sí? Uh-oh.
Is this for her?
Yeah.
Yeah, she gotta get it out. Oh, you're strong.
Oh, that's very okay.
You got it? Come on, can you say strong?
Fuerte. Fuerte. Fuerte.
¿Es fuerte? ¿Es correcto? Tú hablas un poco en inglés, ¿sí?
Fuerte. Fuerte. We're coming around with water and milk and some other things today. You can see here on this water line, it gives you an idea of, just for this particular home, how high the mud and the water came for their house. So a lot of the folks here in some pretty rough shape.